Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to block or unblock someone on Messenger. So first of all, open your chat, then you're going to search for the certain person you want to block. Let's say you want to block this person, and then just go ahead and click on her profile, and then here you'll see the block option, and then click on block, and there you go. And then select block. To unblock, you're going to go to your profile and then go ahead and go to settings. After that, go to privacy and then scroll down, and here you'll see the blocked account options, and then click on that option. And if you want to unblock that certain person again, then just click on unblock, and they will be unblocked by you. Safety tip: block anyone sending suspicious links. Quick fix: if the option does not appear, update Messenger first, and that's it.